How to take NTHE mock tests. Visit nthe.aakash.ac.in/exam/login. Log in with your roll number and password. Your password is your date of birth in dd/mm/yyyy format. Once logged in, you will see the mock test cards in the dashboard section. Unlock the mock test by making the online payment. Click on Buy Now and choose your preferred payment method. On successful payment, the available mock tests will be unlocked. Click on Start Now to begin. Read the instructions carefully before starting the mock test. You can change the test language from the top right corner. You can choose from English, Hindi or Gujarati. Click on Start Test to begin. Once the mock test begins, you will see the first question on your screen. Every question has 4 options to choose answers from. Please note that some questions might have more than one correct answer. Whether a question has one or more than one correct answer will be displayed above the options. Select the desired answer or answers from the given options by clicking on them. If you do not wish to answer a question right away or wish to review your response later, you can click on Review to mark the question to come back to and review later. Clicking on Reset will unselect all the currently selected options. Click on Next to move to the next question. Click on the Previous or Next button to move between questions. You can switch between different sections by clicking on the subject names at the top. The overview panel on the right shows the subject-wise or section-wise progress and the number of questions you have answered, not answered, marked for review, not visited, answered and marked for review. Clicking on the question number will take you to that particular question. The countdown timer is at the top right and shows the time remaining. To end the test immediately, click on the End Test button at the top right corner. At the end of the test, click on Submit to submit your answers and complete the test. Click on Resume to go back to the test. On the next screen, you will see your score and performance details. View your responses by clicking on the Answer Key button. To book an academic counseling session, call on the number displayed at the bottom. You can now close this window and go back to the dashboard. Once you have attempted a mock test, you can view your result or take the next available mock test. All the best!